Hello everyone! You may have seen my previous video in which I've made this super simple Pancake style VR display. It was super easy to build and it has huge field of view. As you can see, the image clarity is very good as well. Today I will try to improve this design even more and to get the optics even smaller. All this while retaining the original field of view. I've already prepared the display by installing the lenses and melting both pieces shut. I've connected everything to my computer and as you can see, everything is working perfectly. The idea is to cut as much of the lens as possible while not removing any necessary parts. I will use this masking tape to prototype the cutting area. Here you can see the initial layout. Everything covered by the masking tape is not required for this to work. You can see just the same amount of display as without the masking tape. I've also prepared this simple plastic cover which further proves my theory. Those two pieces right here are my cutting jig number 1. I will use them to cut the lens into the correct shape. It's basically a simple holder that also acts like a cutout tool. I will cut the outside part of this lens with my axle grinder. Just for this video I bought a new smaller one. It's super precise and should cut through lens easily. And here is the lens after the first cutting. As you can see, it turned out pretty good. With those lenses cut, I can proceed to the second cutting jig. All of the jigs are very similar, but each one is used to cut a different side of the lens. And here are the lenses after the second cut. I slowly get the shape that I need. The third jig is slightly messed up, but I think it should work just as good. And now for the fourth jig. This is the last main one. And here are the finished lenses. I think those turned out pretty well. Those are definitely way more human shaped. I've also prepared this new display holder that is way smaller than the previous one and will work much better with this design. As you can see, the display is perfectly leveled with the plastic frame. There is absolutely no room for error. There is also, of course, a brand new lens holder. This one is designed for the cut lenses. So just like before, the lenses go directly inside the plastic holder. And here you can see the complete optical module. It's now ready for the installation. And here you can see the optical module on top of the display. As you can see, the image clarity is still the same and the field of view is the same as well. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching everyone and hope to see you in the next video. And as always, huge thanks to my patrons. See you later and goodbye.